So the answer is 12,000. That is 48,000 divided by 6. 1 by 6. 1 by 12. 1 lakh 33. 1 by 33 into 48,000. That is equal to 48,000 into 1 by 33. That is equal to 12,000. 33,000. Finished goods stocks from just a minute. What is exactly formula? So answer is 31 by 33. 33, that is equal to calculation is very difficult. So bad debts are recovered rupees 1,000. It will be bad debts recovered. So bad debts recovered is means to credited to bad debts recovery account. Creditors to bad debts recover. So bad debts credited to recover. So bad debts generally when the creditor to record. Which of the following purpose is purpose served from the preparation of trial balance? All the above. Miscellaneous preparation of all the above. So you check the arithmetical accuracy and of the recording transactions. So to ascertain the balance of any ledger account to facilitate preparation of financial on dash on all the above. So these three functions definitely served by the preparation of trial balance. So with this, if you understand this line, we study the characteristics of trial balance. It is understand easily. Dash contains the transaction relating to goods that are returned by us, our creditors. So returns by our creditor, that is written outward. So we see this is called a document, sales book documents. So when a goods sell, that is written outwards. Dash is the basic principles of going concern. Dash is the principles of concept that business assume that existence of indefinite period. So indefinite period means going concern. So that's why we understand the must and should read the accounting concept. Because if we understand the accounting concept, we get at least 5 to 6 marks. Yes, I will show you that. Going concern concept, here it is. The basic principles of this concept, that is business assumed to exist indefinite period and is not established with the objectives of closing down. So going concern, the name itself, if a concern is continuously going, if it will be keep getting the money from the customers and pay it, and concern will be going on. That is the concept. So unless there is a good evidence to the contrary, so to be contrary, the accountant assumes that the business entity is a going concern. That the accountant assumes so that business entity is a going concern. So with the establishment of without the objectives of closing, every business is starting to closing. No. So that's the going concern. Understand the going concern. So that is the A is the answer. Money measurement is concept is money. Business entity is the entity that can be treated will be distinct from persons of individual who is managed it. When recording the business transaction, the important question it will be effect of the business entity. How the effect of business it will be. This is called business entity is a business is separate individuals maintaining. Money measurement is the concept will be expressed in terms of money. Simple like. Next, 53 MCQ to the correct answers. Capital profit arise from the following. So where the capital profit arise from? So profit from incorporation, no. Profit from incorporation, no. So premium received from on the issue of shares. So issue of the firm's capital profit rise. Capital profit on reissue of shares. Yes, profit of the reissue of shares will be profits. So answer is all the above. So on D is the answer. Which of the following cannot be defected by the trial balance? So all the errors are showing. So this is also called all the above answer. The concept that business is assumed that exists indefinite period and established with the objects of closing. So just I will explain it. The going concern concept. That's it. In the hire purchase system, interest charged in the vendor is calculated on the basis of and the actual bid in the constrained cash price. So interest outstanding or the balance of the cash price. In the case of hire purchase system, interest is charged by the vendor. Vendor is whom to purchase me, and the installer purchased from the installing vendor. So outstanding cash price is the right answer A. Goods are transferred from the capital from the department A of department B. That we already discussed in the 12,000. So this will be same question, same bit asked in the last previously. See. Just a minute, I will show you. Just a minute. Okay, it's not showing here properly. Here it is. This is same question again given in the 53 question. So 57th question, same question given in the 48th question. So blindly we tick mark the same question, 57th question or 48th question. That is 12th same question. But this time they understand the confusion here. Last time 48,000 here. So here it is 48,000, but the amount of stock reserve here it is the amount at 36,000. That's it. The confusion, we don't get confusion. That 9,000 is the answer. So we will calculate the next part. So we will interested just answer is 9,000. So 1 by 3,36,000 1 by 133 divided by 133. 36,000 into 1 by 133. You see the 27.60. 27.60. Balance 2.60 into 100. 9,000 plus 27,000 divided by minus 36,000. 27,000 remaining figure. So we discussed that is the answer. 36,000 minus 27,000, 9,000. So answer is 9,000. So 1 by 33. We discussed the 1 by 33. That is equal to 9,000. So the stock is less than. So we subtract 36,000. Closing stock will be so the same process. So opening stock profit equal to less closing stock. So that is equal to 9,000. Bad debts recover sound will be bad debts recover. It will be bad debts recovery. Whenever the bad debts recover, it will be credited to the bad debts recovery account. Credited to bad debts. Same bit, but amount will be figure is shown in the previous. Choose the correct answers. So just a minute. Here it is same. Bad. So this is the very important. Choose the correct answer. Remember, credited to bad debts recovery account. ₹1,000 it will be credited to bad debts recovery. Same question again given here. Same. Choose the correct answer. Bad debts recovery is it will be credited to bad debt funds. Which of the following is the function of recording function, historical function, all the above? So ledger generally is all the analytical functions, so systematic, analytical, and so it is a primary of the before the primary of the ledger account. So it is should be function of the historical above, that is recording all the above. The outflow of funds required asset. How many that benefits more than one accounting period is called a capital expenditure. So whenever the cost of fixed assets of business has to be written off its estimated economic life. So written off means we calculate the depreciation of every year though. Every year we calculate the economic life. So economic life of an asset. So that should be calculated as a cost as a fixed of a business has to be written off estimated economic life. So remember it what I am telling. So 1 by 33 So we get also here in calculation. So 1 by 48,000 divided by, we got 36,000. So 48,000 into 1 by 133, that is equal to 3 lakhs 36,000. 36 3 into 100 multiply, we get 36,000 though 90. So 4 lakhs 8,000 minus 36,000, we get 12,000. Yes, 1 lakh 30. Whenever we get profit of 133 as on cost, we calculate 1 by 33. So we get the information get easily 1 by 33 of the cost. So we get 1 by 33 into 48,000. We get 36,090 approximate. So 90 is not approximate. So 48 less 48,000. So we get 12,000. So 12,000. The answer is 3. So okay. So we move to the next. Receipts and payments account records in dash. Receipts and payments account is records dash. It should be revenue receipts. So no revenue receipts. So receipts and payments account records So receipts and payments account. Receipts and payments account, both revenue and capital receipts or payments. Both revenue and receipts and payments. So it is a receipts and payments account records both revenue and capital nature. Receipts and payments. So excess of minimum rent royalty is known as short workings. So excess of minimum rent over royalty is known as short working. If any transaction is not recorded in the primary books, the same recorded in the books of general purpose. So why general purpose? We study the sales subsidiary books. So here it is general purpose. There it is general purpose. General purpose. So we know that usually transactions are recorded in the primary books of account. If any transaction is not recorded in the primary book, the same recorded in the general purpose. So which is not recorded in the primary book, the same recorded in the primary book, the same is recorded in the general purpose. It includes the credit purchase, credit sales of an assets, transfer and entities like opening entries, closing entries, adjustment entries, and rectification of entries will be posted on the general purpose. So the answer will be which are the, if any transactions not recorded in the primary one, the same will be recorded as a general purpose. Which of the following is not feature of the trial balance? Oh no, which are all transactions broken, hence it is primary book of entity is the right answer. It is not a feature. It is not primarily, it is not an account, it is a statement of account, right? If it is showing the debit balance, credit balance, right? The one extra variance like this, right? All the transactions are primarily recorded in the books. In these books, hence it is called primary book. The person who is favorable endorser is known as endorser. The person who is favor the bill of is endorsed is known as endorsee. Favorable is endorsee is endorsee. We already discussed this bit, so no need to elaborate right now. Which of the following is a basic feature of joint venture? Which of the following is a basic feature of the investment? The following all the above. So all the above is the right answer. So this is also studied in the last couple of hours ago. The following account is as a dash. Following account is a trade balance. Purchase plant and equipment is as a purchase returns is none of the above. So none of the purchase is always debit. Purchase returns also debit. Plant and equity is asset. Asset always debit. So none of the above is the answer. If the sale price is 3,60,000, the purchase is equal to 3,20,000. The opening stock is 68,000. The rate of gross profit 20,000. Closing stock would be 28 1,20,000 units. So calculate the opening sales equal 3 lakhs. So add 60 that equal to add 3 lakhs purchases. First opening stock. Opening stock means 68,000 given. Opening stock 68,000 plus opening purchase 3 lakhs 20,000 plus 20 minus 3 lakhs 60,000 is equal to 28,000. So into cross over 20%. So that is none of the calculations is none of the D answer. The closing stock 3 lakhs 50,000 opening stock. So opening stock and purchases we added. So we got 3 lakhs 88,000. So they subtracted. So it will none of the above. So then nothing answer will not come. So none of the above. As per the accounting standard 1, which of the following is not an accounting consumption? Conservatism, going concern, consistency and accrual. Conservatism is an accounting system because conservative system is not a fundamental accounting system because it is a principle. So we already discussed here conservative system is a modifying principle. Yes, the answer is which of the following is not fundamental accounting principle is fundamental accounting principles are fundamental accounting assumptions, not a principle, not a fundamental accounting assumptions is a business entity concept, going concern concept, money measurement concept, accounting period concept and accrual concept. These are the five basic assumptions of the fundamentally accounting assumptions of the accounting of the financial accounting. So basic one assumption is accounting standards from conservative system is a modifying principles. Remember it, conservative concept is accounting concepts is divided into assumptions, principles and modifying principles. Accounting concepts, assumptions, principles and modifying principles. These are three pillars or three bases of accounting. So conservative is the answer 73. So none is the accrual concept, consistent concept. These are the fundamentally accounting assumptions. So we discussed it just now. So name of the book in which the entries are recorded on the basis of debit notes issued. Debit notes always created in the purchase sales returns. Purchase returns. So whenever you purchase sales return, we get the purchase returns book. D answer. Name of the principles involved in which involved in a classification of fixed assets as fixed and current as accounting principle. This is called going concern work. Matching principle. Matching principles. So no, sorry, matching principle not. Name of the principle involved in the classification of assets. So classification of assets is the calculator which of the name of the principle. So principle. So we discussed the principle. Costing principle, dual accept matching principle, the revenue effect. So non-revenue is asset as a current asset. So this is called just a minute. Let's find the statement. Yes, going concern principle is the answer. Going concern, see, assets going concern is equal to distinctive trade. So you know name of the principle which will be going concern principle. Going concern principle. Going concern principle. The name of the principle is going concern principles of the text in indefinite present. So asset is always indefinite. So okay, particular not every and it is not established for the objectives of closing stock as customers and liabilities of the value of assets and liabilities. So going as name of the principle which involves the cover, it is called not a principle. So something missing here. So answer is going concern principle. The answer is tricky. Something tricky. Going concern principle. 72 going concern principle. This is assumption. The going concern for concept forms of sound basis of preparation of finance balance, preparation of balance sheet. So preparation of balance sheet is called assets and liabilities. So that is called to fixed as assets as fixed as current as. Okay, that is called, that is understand the classification of assets as fixed, that is going concern principle. Next, if a fixed amount which is withdrawn on the first day of every month, the calendar of a calendar year by a partnership in a partnership, of then what period of interest of total amount drawing by the 6.5. Yes, 6.5 months. So 6.5 months is, so we study the fixed amount withdrawn by first day. So first day of the every month, so we calculate 6.5. So 5 days is called to grace days. Declared commission is to allowed to the consignee for undertaking the risks of bad debts. For undertaking the risk of bad debts. Which of the following function is all the above? How many times are which of the function is all the above? Any changing the accounting policy, relating to the inventories which has material is affected in the current or later period should be disclosed. This is in accordance with the accounting principle, which of inventories. So inventories is not consistency. As consistency is the right answer. So what is meant by consistency? Here it is. The concept of advocates that once an organization has decided to adopt a particular method of a revenue or the expense recognition in a line with the other concept, that the same should be consistently appealed after year up. So appeal in the after year unless there is a valid reason for changing the method. So lack of consistency would be result in the financial information becomes non-comparable between the different accounting periods. So different accounting periods. So the instance of this concept would be the result avoidance of a window dressing, result choosing the accounting method or by convenience and thereby inflating understanding. For a consider an example, an asset is 10 lakhs. Okay. So however it may be. So however the current asset later periods though. So consistency. So this is called accounting principle consistency. Lack of consistency to the. So this is called consistency. So this is called accounting principles. Modifying principles. So the going concern means when the concern will be going on. Conservatism is different. Disclosure is also depreciation is the process of allocation. So depreciation is once allocation means something when an asset will get calculated particular type allocated. So it's something estimated from this when asset is decrease or increase the valuation. Probably mostly the assets are always decreasing when due to the nature of life. So we discussed as how many times accounting stand AS9 is called revenue recognition. Remember it. So next 79th question. An amount is spent in connection with obtaining a license for starting the factory starting the factory is called capital expenditure. So starting the capital expenditure. According to the AS 15, the superannuation scheme which has relevance only to the final salary and the number of years service is according to the accounting standard employees benefits. So employees benefits is not in syllabus, but why it happened this question. So in our accounting standards 15 is the employees benefit. So what is the different benefits? Final salary will be number of years, different both A and C. So we will just study. Define benefit scheme. So superannuation scheme of which has been relevance only final salary or the number of years. Definite benefit scheme. Expenditure in respect of certain types of asset which whose usually does not expect in the year of their occurrence, but generally expressed in the near future is called. Expenditure, near future is called deferred expenditure. Yes, deferred revenue expenditure. So revenue expenditure frequently. So expires in the near future. So under just you have assumes that such asset will be decreased, so that deferred revenue so we will back up. The main objectives of our average cost contained in a fire insurance policy is to encourage full insurance and discourage under insurance. So what is the meaning? We study the average cost containing insurance public. So no need to elaborate this stuff right now. No need to elaborate right now. So we discuss into next question 83. Short workings can be reviewed. So whenever short workings reviewed in the royalty, excess of actual royalty more than over minimum rent. So B is the answer. That's right. So excess of actual royalty is over minimum rent. Applicable, which is the not applicable. S6 revised is applicable which one of the following asset? Livestock. Goodwill. Goodwill is intangible asset, so not is not an asset conservative system. So plant and which is reverse plant and machinery is the right answer. Which one of the following applicable S6? So which of the following is applicable for the accounting standard 6 revise? So accounting standard, we see the what are the question accounting 6 property plant and equipment. So this is not disclosed replaced of a revised of the 10. Comparison 515 Here it is. Biological, it is a living asset, living animal asset. Biological asset is the asset accounting standard 6. Everything I will find out that our solution. Right, just a wait. Non-recurring elements of cost, no need to extend the register. So AS6. So AS6 is the likelihood of average scrap salaries. So whenever bearer plants are no longer to be produced, they might be cut down or sold as scrap. Once an item carrying amount depreciation fair value of such impairment loss is not recoverable, it is a recoverable amount. The assets exceeds its recoverable. Then is recovery assets. So that is the answer of a lively stock is a bearer plant. So it is revised but not showing in the institute material. So plant and machinery is the answer. According to AS3, the interest and dividends in case of manufacturing enterprise should be classified as a cash flow from the investment activities. Interest and dividends. So interest and dividends. So interest and dividend is blindly received. So whenever we invest in the activities, so investment activities is the right answer. Investment activities is the right answer. Oh no. Provisions for bad and doubtful debts is created in anticipation of actual bad debts on the basis of conservative concept. So what is conservative bad debts? Conservative concept. So back to the top. The conservative concept is a basic principle. Conservative concept, nothing showing here. Ideal accept principle. Conservative. కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ కన్సర్వేటివ్ ఇక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేయలేదు, యాడ్ చేయలేదు. కన్సర్వేటివ్ కన్సర్వేటివ్ కాన్సెప్ట్, దీంట్లో ప్రోడన్సీ కాన్సెప్ట్ కూడా అంటారా. Here it is financial treatment philosophy of prudence leads to the conservative concept. Now the prudency concept are also known as conservative concept. Remember it, prudency concept is also known as conservative concept. Don't confuse it. So accountants who prepare the financial statement of business like other human being would like to give a favorable report on how well business has performed during the account period. However, prudent reporting based on skepticism builds confidence in the results of long-run best served in all the divergent interests of users' financial statement. The philosophies of prudence lead to conservative concept. Conservative leads the philosophy of prudence. So anticipation with the results of the concept of underlying the prudency concept leads to the conservative concept. So conservative concepts are leads to the conservative, both are same. So for example, 5 lakhs, so the price. So answer is 86B. Conservative system builds the confidence of results of long run best of divergent interest of final users of financial statements. The concept underlies the prudence of understating and overstating the net income of an entity for a period of a net asset of particular. This is because done by situations of uncertainty. For example, for years of the concept anticipating of no future. So remember it, but anticipate no profits, but recognize all loss. So that is, so when the provisions for doubtful debts is always the uncertainty. So that is called conservative concept. The outflow of funds that require asset that will be benefits of business more than accounting period is refers to more than accounting period is known as capital expenditure. More than accounting expenditure is equal to capital expenditure. Goods of a branch of cost plus 25 at the loading price is 25%. Sorry. 1 by 20, 1 by 25, 1 into 25, that is equal to 120%. Sorry, A is the answer. Loading invoice price is less than 5. So cost plus 1 by 25, that is equal to 1 by 25. 20 answer. Cost plus that is equal to 1 by 20. 1 divided by 125. S that is equal to 20%. Actuary valuation relating to actuary value of society company, you know, that is equal to insurance company, banking company, you know. Actuary valuation means we study that you go to the banking company is not. Why a lot of portals? Outstanding, instanding and outstanding. Okay, just insurance company. Insurance company. Actuary valuation. What is meant by actuary valuation? Actuary valuation means what the actual claim is will be deducted from the insurer. Okay. Survey expenses in marine insurance claim must be survey expenses of marine insurance claim. So survey expenses of marine expenses. So 90th survey expenses. So survey expenses survey expenses. Survey expenses. Survey expenses equal to added to for marine expenses for marine claim must be added to the claim. Added to the claim. Added to survey expenses. That will show you. And the directly and actually profit earned by the loan. So expenses, claim, loss of risk, loss of stock, loss of profits, loss of an asset, yes, loss of an asset in calculation of valuation of stock has been given below. So other expenses always added to the insurance claim, added to the insurance claim. Usually not given by the actually. Other expenses like wages chargeable for to the survey expenses. The profit of sale of furniture club will be taken into the income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account. Profit on sale of furniture. So profit of sale of furniture is when I sold to the furniture, we get an income from something. So profit always income and expenditure account. Realization account is a represent for personal account. Sorry, realization is assets and liabilities. So sorry, expenses always debit. Okay, sorry, realization account is a nominal account. Sorry, realization account is a nominal account. Next, bank shows on provisions of income tax under the heads of liabilities and other liabilities and provisions. 93. Other liabilities and provisions. Bank shows the provisions of incomes under the heads of other liabilities and provisions. Bank reconciliation statement is a separate statement. Bank reconciliation statement is a separate statement. Income and expenditure shows subscription 10,000. Subscriptions are accrued beginning in the year, at the end of the year 10,000 rupees. 1,500 is respectively. So the subscription we received appear in the receipt sides of the payment. So receipt side of the payment. So subscription beginning of the year 10,000 rupees. So 11,000 minus 1,500. So beginning of the year is added. So 10,000 already, so shows 10,000 plus 10,000 minus end of the date and 1,500 is respectively. Figure showing the receipt side of finance also. So minus 1,500. We get 9,500. So we get 9,500. So subscription occurred in the beginning of year, we must be added to the subscription. So already on the outstanding. So outstanding will be added to the subscription. So less at the end of the year is 1,500. So we subtract the 9,500. A non-performing asset is a money at call or start. No. Non-performing asset is cash balance with a bank. An asset ceases generating income. Non-performing asset. That is called non-performing asset. We discuss why the non-performing assets. What is the meaning by non-performing asset? So assets are two types: non-current assets, non-current assets. The current assets is those assets which is classified under the satisfying the following. We expected it is expected to realize or intended to sale of consumption of in a company of normal operating cycle. It else primarily subject to trade. It is due to the realized with 12 months after reporting date. It cash or cash equivalent unless restricted from being exchanged or useful to settle the liability for credit at least 12 months for the period reporting date. So it is non-performing asset is always asset which ceases to generate the income. So C is the answer. Which of the following is not a quality Qualitative, which of the following is not a qualitative characteristics of financial statement? Which of the following is not qualitative financial statement? Relevance, understandability, cost principle, because this is not a characteristics of financial statement, no. It is a principle, so that is the answer. It is a modifying principle, cost principles. Is a principle, sorry, it is a principle. It is accounting concepts and conventions. So, cost principles means it is a principle. Yes, historical cost concept, business transactions are always recorded in the actual cost. So 98. Name of the book which entries record in the credit notes above purchase returns book. Sorry. Name of the book in which the credit notes are issued on the basis of credit issues. Sales returns book. Sorry. Once again repeat. The types of cash book, only cash book, returns, once again returns book. The transactions which are goods are retired by various reasons, such as example of return, that is known as sales returns book. Yes. Name of the book which returns are credit notes.